Can you guess this logo sound? Yes, it's Netflix. Level 1. Easy. 1 point each. You have 5 seconds for each. Logo 1. Mario. Logo 2. McDonald's. Logo 3. Disney. Logo 4. Apple. Logo 5. Windows. Are you 5 for 5 so far? Comment your score. Logo 6. Xbox. Logo 7. Samsung. Logo 8. Coca-Cola. Logo 9. Nintendo Switch. Logo 10. HBO. If you get 5 out of 10, you are beginner. And if you get 10 on 10, you are pro. But wait for level 3. Only 1% of people get it right. Level 2, medium, 5 points each. You have 5 seconds. If you haven't missed one yet, hit that subscribe button right now. Logo 11. Intel. Logo 12. Discord. Logo 13. MGM Lion. Logo 14. THX. Logo 15. Skype. Logo 16. BMW. Logo 17. PlayStation 2. Logo 18.
EA Sports.
EA Sports.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Logo 19. T-Mobile. Logo 20. Slack. Level 3. Hard. 10 points each. 99% fail here. Good luck. Logo 21. Sega. Logo 22. Twentieth Century Studios. Logo 23. Nokia. Logo 24. Universal Pictures. Logo 25. Pixar. Logo 26. PlayStation 1. Logo 27. Game Boy. Logo 28. Audi. Logo 29. Old Spice. Logo 30. Windows XP shutdown. Subscribe to QuizRampUp for more challenges. See you in the next quiz.